Since 1951, Flextool has been a market leader in the supply of quality concrete and construction equipment. Flextool offers a full lineup of products to help you complete the job from start to finish, including a comprehensive range of surface preparation equipment. Offering exceptional grinding and polishing capabilities, the Flextool Planetary Concrete Grinder FCG 450 is the ideal machine for small to medium-sized residential and commercial projects. Transportation and on-site handling are made easy with the central lifting hook, folding handle and the detachable grinding head and motor. To assemble, simply align the grinding head and the main chassis, fit the retaining pins and connect the power cable. The unit is fitted with an ergonomic three-way height-adjustable and reversible handlebar for optimal operator comfort. Once the grinder is set up, it can be connected to a quality, suitable dust collector using the 50mm outlet. Featuring a 2.2 kilowatt electric motor and inverter system, the Flextool Planetary Concrete Grinder is easy to connect, plugging directly into a 240-volt 10-amp standard power outlet. The operator control panel is located within easy and safe reach of the operator, allowing effortless adjustment of the grinding speed. The unit is capable of grinding speeds between 300 and 1800 RPM for optimized control and grinding results. With a motor positioned directly above the grinding head, it provides extra weight and enhanced downward pressure, improving grinding efficiency and performance during operation. Two adjustable grinding head weights can be easily moved into position to offer additional weight if required. The durable floating dust shroud provides a continuous tight seal during operation when connected to a quality dust collector, capturing harmful dust particles from escaping the grinding head and maintaining a safe working environment. Featuring a fully sealed aluminium gearbox, eliminating the use of drive belts, this unit provides enhanced durability and reduced ongoing maintenance. The Flextool Planetary Concrete Grinder uses the Easy Lock system for quick and easy connection of the grinding shoes and is also compatible with the Ready Lock system. Polishing resins are attached using a Velcro backing system, of which a set of adapters is included with the machine. The Flextool Blade Tech grinding consumables range includes quality grinding shoes that feature a high diamond concentration and large segment size for optimum grinding efficiency and durability. The highly durable Flextool Blade Tech dry polishing resins achieve optimum polishing efficiency and enhanced polishing clarity with minimal passes. For more information on the full range of Flextool surface preparation equipment, visit flextool.com.au.